Hello, I'm Paul, the CEO of Admiral Sports. Today I'm going to show you the 10 steps taken to make your Admiral ID custom teamwear in our own 80,000 square foot North America factory. We print and produce custom teamwear on demand, which allows for quicker supply with less waste, shorter transport time, lower cost, and less environmental impact. Step 1 is to create your own unique teamwear using your design, colours, images and logos in Admiral ID. With ID, you can design a team kit and view it in real time in 3D, rotate and preview designs at any angle, choose from product variations including short and long sleeve jerseys, crew and V-neck collars and raglan or set-in sleeve styles. Change the colours and apply many different designs easily. Add graphics, names and numbers with real-time 3D preview. Save and amend your designs, share your designs with colleagues, then when you finalize your design, send them straight to print and production in our factory. ID automatically scales your design for each size, from the smallest to the largest, including graphics, logos, names and numbers. Once you've completed your design, you can choose your fabric and fit. In ID, you will have the option to choose a men's or women's kit. In ID, the avatar will change from male to female based on your choice. Admiral offer women's shaped jerseys, which are the same specification as a men's jersey, but in production we shape the jersey to fit a woman, meaning the waist is taken in about 1.5 inches on each side. We also offer women's fit shorts, which are different to men's shorts in that we decrease the front and back rise, increase the hip slightly, and also decrease the length. If a woman wears a men's adult medium, they will wear a women's adult medium, but it will be a better fit for a woman's body. Admiral jerseys are made with a 132 gram dull interlock 100% polyester fabric. This is more breathable than other fabrics, has quick dry properties, is tear and static resistant. It has a weave that quickly wicks moisture away from the body, keeping you cool and dry. It is also extremely lightweight, which allows for great comfort and freedom of movement. Our fabrics are 75 denier and 72 filament, which is just a method of measuring the fabric. This means our fabrics are both strong and noticeably soft. You can choose to upgrade to 170 gram or 230 gram medium weight dry fit polyester spandex fabric, which gives the fabric strength and makes it more stretchy. Step 3. When we receive your finalized order, it immediately goes to print. What you design and see on screen is exactly what we print. Every custom jersey, short and jacket is individually printed using the latest sublimation printers with the best sublimation paper and inks. We are the exclusive distributors for the German sublimation paper made by Felix Schuler. Felix Schuler paper is a microporous coated paper that has the fastest drying capabilities of any sublimation paper on the market, reducing waste and minimizing production time. Team colours at many sporting events and clubs are instantly recognizable, and there is an ever-growing demand for vibrant and special colours. We use Italian Kian High Pro sublimation inks that offer the highest quality, consistent reproductions available. They also allow quicker system setup, less downtime, and increased quality whilst delivering a lower cost of production, which we pass on to our customers. 4. We then transfer the design from the roll of paper to fabric using 2 industrial calendar presses, which can handle large rolls of fabric. We place the paper and a roll of white sublimation fabric on the calendar press. Here we use 400-degree Fahrenheit heat to open up the pores of the fabric and turn the ink into gas, which under pressure brings the ink and fabric permanently together as one. In less than a minute, the heat is removed and the transfer paper is peeled off. The result is a permanent, full-color image that doesn't crack, peel or wash away, as the ink is embedded in the fabric rather than simply laying on top like a normal print. To prevent migration of ink in this transfer process, we use, and are also exclusive vendors of S. Walter sublimation tissue paper, which is considered to be the best and ensures sharp, accurate image reproduction from seam to seam. Step 5, quality control. There are a series of QC measures throughout the process. We operate 2 custom-built roll-to-roll quality control inspection units to inspect for any blemishes in the transfer process. Under this light box, there is a rotor that turns a drum and pulls the fabric off the roll over the light box so our quality controller can check for any specks or imperfections in the print. The QC also checks the logos, numbers and colour quality against the checklist to ensure everything is accurate. If the print is not perfect, it is rejected and has to be reprinted. Step 6. We then cut each jersey, short and jacket individually by hand using highly trained cutters. It ensures the intricate detail of the garment is cut accurately. We don't use laser cutters because the new technology isn't yet fast enough in setup or cutting, and so it's actually more efficient to cut by hand. This will eventually change, and when it does, we will deploy cutting-edge technology. Where a customer orders laser cut underarm venting, either purely for design or to improve airflow, we take the printed and cut fabric and use special laser cutters to make these vents. The laser beam can be focused to a very fine dot of extremely high energy density for precise cutting. In polyester-based fabrics, laser cutting produces well-finished edges as the laser melts and fuses the edge, which avoids the problem of fraying. The feature is not currently available in Admiral ID, so if you wish to add it, you will need to specifically request it in your email order. You should also allow a few extra days for production, as this is a time-consuming process where every individual panel is individually laid and cut. Step 7. Sewing. Step 8. Quality control and ironing. Every piece is ironed before being checked and packed. Every jersey, short, jacket and bag is checked to ensure the correct size, number, colour, logos, and to ensure that errors are filtered out. Step 9. Sorting and packing. Players often order multiple items: home and away jerseys, shorts, socks, plus training kits, jackets, pants, bags, balls, gloves and hoodies. Often there are more than 25 different items, all in different sizes with different names and numbers, that have to be picked and packed for individual orders and collated for delivery. Every order is checked twice before being shipped. Step 10. Shipping with UPS. We ship thousands of items a day with UPS. There are 3 shipping options. 1. In bulk directly to an organisation. 2. Packed by member, boxed by team and shipped to the organisation. Or 3. Directly to the member's home. The cost depends on the weight, the box dimensions, the method of shipping, whether it's next day, 2-day or Saturday morning delivery, where available, and the location that we're sending the parcel to. You can track your orders once shipped using the UPS tracking number on your invoice. Admiral ID is the only place where you can create and order your own teamwear, outerwear and custom soccer balls on any device from your phone to your desktop. Enjoy designing and wearing your unique team kit.